Hey everyone, I'm going to be showing you how to embed a YouTube video onto your HTML website. Embedding a YouTube video integrates the YouTube player onto your web page. This allows users to watch the video without having to leave your website. Alright, so first you are going to go to YouTube and find the video you want to embed into your website. Once you find that video, open it up and go down to the share button, which is beside the like and dislike buttons. A menu will pop up, click embed. After enabling and disabling what settings you want, click copy in the bottom right corner. Now paste what we copied from the video into your HTML code. For this example, I put it in the body. Now the video is on your website and you can interact with it. If you want the video player to be a different size, all you have to do is change the width and height values to whatever you'd like. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.